false alarm, red flashing lights. Well, this time I'm not going to watch myself die. I think I made it a game to play your game and let myself cry. Buried myself alive on the inside so I could shut you out and let you go away for a long time. I guess it's okay if you today away. I guess it's better you trapped yourself in your own way. And if you want me back, you're gonna have to ask. I think the chain broke away and I felt it the day that I had my own time and took advantage of myself and felt fine. But it was worth the night. I caught an early flight and I made